How do you gather inspiration and the right color palettes for your paintings or coloring pages or art in general? One of the main ways that I like to gather color references and color palettes and inspiration is through Pinterest. This might not be new to you, but I just thought I would like to show you my Pinterest board and my thought processes when I'm creating a board before figuring out my color palettes for my next painting. Click onto Pinterest. You can type in Aggie Pixie and go into my profile, and then you can click on to boards, and there you will see all my Pinterest boards. I love the fairy tale aesthetic, princess aesthetic, fairy tale, romantic, inspirational paintings. And I like keeping up to date to color trends. And then I have a lot of my tutorials here too, amongst other color schemes, color palette, all kinds of things. So for this class, I found a lot of inspiration in classical art and romantic art from the past. So I've been collecting them, quite a few actually. And if you can go over and follow this board, and I keep on updating it. And I love all these soft hues and very romantic, very faded out colors. I mean, I try to achieve it in this class somewhat. I know with pastels you can achieve that soft look. So what I really love the roses, these blues and corals, and it's just so pretty. So that is one board that I was very inspired. And then I went ahead and made another board for this class, and I gathered up all kinds of references and inspiration that went into the final painting. So I called this board Art Project Inspiration for Capturing Romance. And then when you go into it, you'll see all the images and illustrations, photos, colors, color palettes, lip references. I know I wanted that pop of red lips because I've been noticing in a lot of classical paintings they would have the pale face with a pop of red. So I just try to get other references. I wanted a nice blue turquoise eye, so I went ahead and tried to get some inspiration on that. And then I really loved this painting, and I love the color combo of the pinks, the blue turquoises, and the blondish hair. So I really pulled a lot of the color palettes from that. And then some rose references, colors, and just an overall feeling for this painting. And you can see it here. So I got a lot of even as for the hairstyle, for example, I love the floral crowns. And so this is pretty much a good way to gather up ideas and color palettes and see what works together, what doesn't work together, and kind of create an overall feeling of what your final painting, that final feeling you want to get out of your painting. And so that is what I do mostly. Sometimes I keep my board secret, but for this class, I am letting everyone into my secrets. So if you go ahead, follow this board, I will unlock this when I actually go to publish my class. But for now, it's a secret board. So you guys are very, very lucky if you're watching this video right now. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Okay, so that is pretty much an overview of finding your inspiration and your color palettes for your paintings. So if you haven't seen my Pinterest board, go ahead and give it a follow or just check it out, whatever you like to do. Okay, so let's continue to the next class.